Blanchisseuse, here I come again. We're on the San Fernando bypass, heading up for Blanche. So I got some new riding friends. Heading for Maraval. Heading up the Q-Rep now. Passing Q-Rep. Riding with the new crew. I'm approaching Port of Spain. So I'm back on the promenade. Steve right in front of me. First time riding with Steve. Dion, Dallas, Kenny, Ryan. Good morning, Port of Spain. Maraval, we coming. Okay, so we now on Saddle Road, going up to the pillars. Here we come. Alright, we now reach on the lookout. Maracas lookout. Looking ahead for Maracas Beach. Then Las Cuevas. Then Blanche. And we going again. Easy like Sunday morning. Well, I'm back in Maracas again. Passing through. Sugar rush. Right, we link up with the bikers here. Blanchisseuse, here we come. Back in Blanche, boy. So I'm back in Blanche. Doing it again. Now leaving Blanche, going up the Brazos Seco Junction. Hills, hills.
That man goes up with me. That's right.
Open range, open range. What view? Dante is selling me two Optic here. Hybrid Optic from up the hills. Yeah, sprinkle it down. Yeah, that trial more, trial more. It's big hill at a climb.
Wow.
Yeah, give me the thing again. Right. Thanks.
That's too much.
Nah.
You
Yeah, let me salt up. Northern range. So we had coming into base one.
Yeah. You did Penal to Port of Spain and back recently.
Yeah,
They did the Blanchisseuse yesterday.
I do it again.
Okay, fantastic.
This is the second one.
Nice.
Alright,
Okay,
take
all the
care.
best.
What a beautiful view. I want to peel out. Doggy. Ain't that cute? Back. Alright, we're up in Las Lapas. Heading down south now. Penal, here we come.
I my first boy.
One shot. Watch it. My boy's in front. Downhill along. Fire! Coming down on the Arima Blanchisseuse main road. Downhill. Downhill. The party's sweet. Fire, fire, road, give me a road, give me a road. We're there down south. We pumping. We know inside Madras Road, heading south. Okay, so we now coming out at Chin Chin Road onto the Southern Main Road. And we're heading south. We're down in the Londonville area now. Heading for Kappa Road now. Sunset and Kappa Road. It's like Africa, boy. We're heading for Tabakit now. Headed to Tabakit. How we going? Yeah. Alright, Dallas.
What do I need
It was nice. It was nice riding with you.
Same here. What do I need to drink, honey?
We top up.
Thank you. Alright.
Until again.
Everything. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, so Dallas cutting out. We are Riyadh now to head down back for.
Yeah.
Forward is the word. Forward is the word. Brasso Junction. And we go on. I don't Flanagan heading for Tabakit, back in the bush. Pure darkness. And we rolling. Okay, so we now heading up the Ghat Road, then to Princess Town. Here I come. In our one. Yeah. Alright, I reached Princess Town. Heading for St. Croix Road. On the last leg. Then to Barrackport. Passing through Princess Town. Heading for St. Croix Road. Sunday night. Let me see how the tongue looking. And we moving. Almost there. Pushing pedal since 3:30 a.m. non-stop. Wow, ain't that cute? Ain't that cute? So I now leave St. Croix Road and I'm in GP Road Barrackport. Heading for Penal now. 18 hours of riding. And we going. The night is going perfect. Then through Wilson Road from Barrackport, coming to Penal. So I'm back on the SS Erin Main Road. I reach Bacha, Penal. Coming home now. Home base. This is what we call it. Bacha Trace. So inside Bacha Trace, coming into home now. Coming back from Blanche. Well, I now complete an 18 hours journey. Penal, North Coast Road, Blanchisseuse, and back via Williamsville, Princess Town, then Penal. It was nice. It was fantastic. Good night.